Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to connect our OnePlus Watch 2R smartwatch with our Android smartphone. I am using OnePlus Nord 4 now, but this step should be applicable for all the Android for smartphones generally. So let's check it out. Okay, right now we are in the OnePlus Watch 2 starting screen where we have to choose the language. We have so many languages. We'll select English first. User experience program, we'll deselect this. Next. Download the OL app from Google Play on your phone. Okay. Okay, we'll take our smartphone and go to Play Store and search for OL app. Offline. Okay. Okay, this one. A health and fitness app that can pair Oppo and OnePlus smart wearable devices. Okay, install. This app is similar to Samsung Health or Apple Health or Google Health devices app where we can track all our activities including fitness and health activities. Open. Select country or region. We'll choose India. Here it is. Continue. Okay, we should read all this. Agree. Allow. About device management. Okay, read all this. Okay. And we will take our smartwatch now. Download the OL app from Google Play on your phone. We have downloaded. Select next now. Open OL, go to devices tab, add device and select your device model. Let's go to devices. Devices. Add device. Okay, allow Bluetooth. Okay. Allow. Turn on the Bluetooth. Hello. Add device. Okay. Probably we have to choose OnePlus Watch 2 or next. OnePlus Watch 2 or 01E7. They also provided a code. Location service. Turn on. Okay. We just have to make sure both the codes are same. OnePlus Watch 2 or 01E7. I agree. Preparing Bluetooth pairing request. This device will pair. We have to make sure the pairing codes are same. Then choose the pair option. Select. Pairing, check the notification drawer on your phone for pairing requests. Okay, it shows pairing here. Then we have this complete the setup on your phone notification. We just have to do the rest on our smartphone. Terms of use, it's good to read them. Preferred wrist, selecting a preferred wrist will improve the accuracy of steps and workout data. Suppose if I want to wear the watch on my left, I have to choose the left option here. Okay, standard mode, parental. Okay, I'll be the one using this. So standard mode. Sync phone communications and calendar events. Not now. Preparing your watch. This might take a few minutes. Okay, we'll wait for that. Obtaining Google account info. I'll remove the loading and waiting time while editing this video to make this video short. Okay, sign in to your Google account. Okay. We have to enter the password here. After this, we can set lock screen password. We can choose numeric or pattern. I'll skip this for now. Lock on health. I'll skip this. Sync phone notifications when device in smart mode. Allow. We have to turn on the notifications here. Then payment tips. Hold the top of your watch to the reader. NFC signal is stronger at the top. Continue. Completing setup. Okay, now we can choose the watch face here. We can also find our watch name here, OnePlus Watch 2 or gunmetal gray. We can find all the options here. We can watch faces, tiles, fitness, health. We can find everything. And also on a smartwatch, learn how to use your new watch. You can choose the OK button if you want to know the tutorials. If not, you can deselect it. And that's all. Now your watch is ready. That's all. We have successfully connected our OnePlus Watch 2 or smartwatch with our Android smartphone. And we can use the OL app to manage all the settings. Here, we can find all the options here. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly let us know your questions and thoughts about connecting OnePlus Watch 2 or smartwatch with your Android smartphone. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.